Hey, what's up guys? My name's Royce. Thanks for tuning in, and today we are talking about why I have decided to ship back my AirPods 2. That's right, got a refund. Didn't want them no more. You want to know why? Well, let's start with reason number one. So the first reason is pretty simple. I just felt like it wasn't worth the upgrade, especially for me. I already have the first AirPods, which I have in this nice little cool Spider-Man case. But yeah, these are the guys. These are them. This is it. This is what we're working with. You know, there's no problems. I have no problems with them. They look exactly the same. And the new ones, you had a little bit better battery life. You had Hey Siri, so you could say Hey Siri to activate it. But that, for me, was not worth the upgrade, especially, like I said, since I already had the original AirPods and the new AirPods cost $200. Yes, the new AirPods have the wireless charger, but again, wireless charging as far as my AirPods go is not a big concern. And if it was, I'd recommend just buying the wireless charging case separately for your originals, which is $79. Now, it would have been team wireless charging case if, you know, a certain charging pad came out. I don't know, Apple, if you know what I'm talking about, the one that you promised us 500 years ago. But now that it's not out, there's really no reason. I'm not gonna put this on another pad I'm not doing that. Sorry guys, I'm not doing that. So for me, the new upgrade is not worth it, especially if you already have AirPods. Now, if you're someone who don't have AirPods yet and you've been debating, you've been wondering, should I upgrade? Honestly, I still say no. You know, I say go to Amazon, get the originals for $139. I believe they're still selling them for $139. Or go to Apple and just buy the originals for $159. So yes, I am that passionate about it. There's really no reason to upgrade. There's no reason to upgrade if you do have it. There's no reason to upgrade if you don't have it. Because another big thing for me was there was no sound improvement. Everybody was getting them. They were like, oh my goodness, the sound is better. Trust me, I did my own heavy scientific study of the sound waves of these AirPods. You can check it out in my last video.
Okay, that's it. That's it. You gotta be at an angle. You gotta be like right here. If you're like right here, if you're right here, you'll hear it.
Just get the OGs, man. Just get the OGs. They're fine. But you get one less hour of listening time is all. That's the only difference. And reason number 2, you had the audacity to announce Powerbeats Pro.
There was a day, sunlight blue.
Now, if you've never heard of that before, Powerbeats, which is made by Beats Headphones, was acquired by Apple, so it's Apple. The Powerbeats line is pretty much for athletes, people who train, work out. So pretty much they had the two pieces, put them in your ears, and then had the cord in the back, you know, and then some people had it in the front, which is absolute madness. But it was wireless, but it still had that cable in the back, so it technically wasn't truly wireless. So long story short, Beats have announced Powerbeats Pro, which are those headphones that you put in your ears, and you know, you got the little clips that go behind the ear, so it's a nice fit, but it no longer has that cable that runs in the back or in the front. They're two separate wireless pieces, like the AirPods, like other wireless, truly wireless headphones that we have seen over the years. And the reason why I bring this up is, for me personally, I mainly use my AirPods when working out. I know a lot of people do, or you know, they use them on their commute or something like that, but a lot of people use it while they're working out, and that's the biggest complaint is, you know, they're not sweat, water resistant or anything, and so they fall out your ears, and then if you're in the middle of a set or you're on the treadmill or something, they're falling out your ears, now your groove's all messed up, you know, you were jamming out to your song, now you gotta pick it up, now you gotta put it back in, now you gotta figure it all out again, and it's just a mess. Where now the Powerbeats Pro, they're built for that, so they're sweat and water resistant. You put them in your ear, they're adjustable, so they can fit it to the shape of your ear, where AirPods, you put them in, you just hope they stay in, you know what I'm saying? So clearly there's a huge benefit with that. And the fact that they're truly wireless now is you get to feel all cool and techie and not have to worry about any strings or cables or nonsense. And the Powerbeats Pro should be coming out in May. So you can see the AirPods 2 came out pretty recently, and now we got the Powerbeats Pro, so it's kind of interesting the fact that they were released so close together. You can't order them yet, but they should be coming out soon once May hits. The only thing is the Powerbeats Pro are going for $249.95, so $250. And that's $50 cheaper than the AirPods 2. So you're probably like, oh, well then why would I shell out $50 more when I could just get the AirPods 2? So if you're someone who works out, you sweat a lot, or you know, you just have an active lifestyle, I feel like it's more of a benefit to look into something like the Powerbeats Pro rather than the AirPods 2, where people will get more benefit out of these if you're commuting somewhere, you know, if you're writing, you just want to pop these in real quick, there's not a lot of movement. Where the Powerbeats Pro, it could serve that purpose as well, plus you can work out in them. And the biggest factor is with the Powerbeats Pro, when they come out, you will get 9 hours of listening time versus just the 5 hours of listening time that you would get with the AirPods 2. And that's a huge factor because like I said, when the AirPods fall out, you got to find your groove and all that stuff. Likewise, when the battery runs out after you thought you charged them, the battery runs out and now again, your groove's thrown off. Even worse because you're just stuck for the rest of the workout without music, and then you have to just try and dig deep within yourself and say motivating things like, come on, don't quit, you can do it, come on, yeah, I know you have a lot in you, you're good. No, we ain't got time to motivate ourselves, we need our music, man. I'm tired of the music running out after I charged you, why didn't you work? Sorry, that just went on a little tangent there. What was I talking about? And finally, this one's just a rumor, okay? And me personally, I don't deal with Apple rumors. You know, if something comes out, it comes out when it comes out. I don't care about the new leaks. Oh, the new iPhone 11, this is what it's looking like. No. I don't care about that, all right? Just show me the phone at the keynote and I'm good. But if this so happens to be true, there are rumors going around that Apple will release another version of the AirPods later this year, 2019, most likely during the release of the iPhone 11, 10SX, whatever version. If that is true, and I would have kept my AirPods 2, and then they release a new version, possibly a redesign, probably that's so cool, the redesign's so amazing, where I'm like, oh cool, you made me pay $200, and then you release, that's fine. And again, like I said, this is just a rumor, so I'm taking it with a grain of salt. But that could possibly happen too. Now I'm saying don't let that affect your buying purchase on the AirPods 2. Let the other facts that I said, the fact that it's not worth purchasing the AirPods 2, let that affect your purchase. But that's it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please keep it locked to my channel. And also let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys think the AirPods 2 are worth it? Are you excited about the Powerbeats Pro? Do you think that's too expensive? Let me know, guys. Let's talk about it. We're going to make it through. We're going to make it through together, y'all. But until then, again, my name's Royce, and I'll catch you later. Goodbye.
Perfect.